Okay guys, I got this review today of a Blackstone 28-inch XL griddle with cabinet and hood. I purchased this in September of 25, and as you can see I got it all put together. It wasn't too bad to put together, went pretty well, the instructions were pretty clear. As you can see, there's a lot of printing here. It tells you how much you can have. It has 3 heating zones. It's pretty good size. It's pretty deep. In the past, I had a 36-inch griddle. It wasn't as fancy as this one, but as you can see, there's a place for the tank to go. I wish they'd offset that to the side so there was more room for storage underneath. That's for paper towels. You can put that roll on there and tuck it away. I don't usually use that because it gets wet when it's not, even though I have a cover for it, it can still get wet. This side has a place for a garbage bag, so you can hang your garbage bag on that, throw away your garbage. Also has a cutting board built in, and then those hooks for accessories. And you can do a lot of food on this. So far, it's been working pretty good. It has the omnivore top. I like it pretty well. I like my old top better. Also purchased some accessories here. I got this little holder here for bottles. It's magnetic, and I stick it to that side over there. And it works good. I don't always use it, but as you can see, there's some hooks underneath there too if you want to use them. But this is going to need to be seasoned, and I'll be showing you that next. Nice looking griddle, that's for sure. All right, what I did is I used this Blackstone griddle seasoning and cast iron conditioner, bacon aroma. I put on like 4 or 5 coats and just kept burning it off, and that's kind of what it looks like. It looks pretty good there. You can tell it's kind of a smooth surface there. Definitely needs some cooking on it, get things going there. My other Blackstone I had like 4 years. Something I like to do is cook bacon with the first cook just because there's a lot of grease in there. It kind of helps season the griddle as well. Nothing wrong with that. One thing that I did notice with this, the LP regulator underneath, it liked to spit a little air, which I did not like. And over time I ended up changing this out. I got one that's more adjustable so I can regulate the amount of gas that comes out of there, and it's worked much better. So it was a nice little $20 upgrade that I did. As you can see, I threw some steaks on there, some butter on there. These are just some of the first cooks I had with it. It was pretty good. Overall, just after having cooked and spent some time on this griddle, I like my old one better. I think the heat was better off the griddle, the coiled steel. It heated up a lot faster. I could cook bacon faster. You could just get a lot more heat a lot quicker. This one, it's spread out over time. It still does a nice job, but I like the old style much better than this newer style. So after having cooked on it like, I want to say 6-7 months now, like I said, I prefer the old style better, but this does work, and it's a nice looking griddle. I picked it up at Walmart pretty cheap in the off season. I'm trying to remember what it even was, but it was a couple $100 less than usual. I know that. So I want to say it was still like $400, but normally it was like a $600 unit. But overall it's pretty nice. It worked good. I have a nice cover for it now too that I keep on it. I'll review that sometime for you. I actually got the 36-inch cover. It's extra big, but it goes on really easy, and it seems to stay on, so that's the good thing with that.